How to replace the headset. With the keys, open the top door of the coaster. Release the cable from the hook and disconnect it from the computer or the USB hub, depending off your coaster's version. Now, carefully pull the cable from the front part of the coaster. With the new headset, run the cable through the same place you removed the old one. At the back of the coaster, pull the cable upwards. Secure the cables on the hook and connect the cables to the computer or the USB hubs. In the case where your coaster has only a computer to connect the headsets, always connect to the red USB port indicated with a sticker. If it has USB hubs, always connect to the USB port also indicated with a sticker. Now, close the door and it will be ready.